one of the things holding you back from starting your YouTube channel or creating your YouTube video is your background, or your room or your space is not looking attractive to the eye, or you don't have the background or the setup that you want, and you want to learn how to achieve this kind of background, then I will advise you to keep on watching this video, because this video is for you. What you are going to learn in this video will help you create any kind of beautiful background you want in your video by using just Canva AI and CapCut AI. Then the most amazing thing here is that it is completely free and very easy to create. Just follow the step-by-step guide in this video and you will achieve amazing results by using this tool, AI tool. I'm going to show you how to achieve this in laptop and in mobile phones, so stick around. But before we continue, welcome to my channel. My name is Joseph, and you click this video because you want to learn how to create a realistic background for your YouTube videos. And to help YouTube promote this video so that others will see this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel to help me and to support me reach 1K subscribers. I hope you have subscribed. I really appreciate, guys. And before I show you guys how to create a beautiful background like this, let me state some of the things that you need to do to be able to achieve this kind of background. Firstly, you need to make sure you light up your room when you want to film a video you want to remove the background or you want to change the background. Film in a very well lit environment. Use artificial lights if you have them, like ring lights. If you don't have them, film during the day and make sure you face your window to make sure you have enough light coming at you. Secondly, make sure that your phone or your camera is stable. This means that you must place it on a tripod or place it somewhere that it doesn't shake, because when your video is stable, it will give you a seamless outcome when you want to change the background. Then thirdly, make sure you are not moving yourself too much. As you can see, I'm not moving myself too much, because if you are moving too much, you will have an issue like a bucket of shadows when you change the background at your back, and it will just expose that the background is fake. And you know we want our video to come out as neat as possible, so make sure you are not moving your hands much and you are not moving your body too much when you are filming yourself, so that you will have more natural outcome. Now you have known what to do, let's go straight into the tutorial. So the first AI tool we are going to use is Canva Image Generative AI. If you don't have Canva, just go to browser, type canva.com and register with your email address, and you'll be able to use it for free. Now once you register, you will have this interface. Then click on create a design up here, then click on YouTube thumbnail. If it is not showing here, you can search it here too. We are using YouTube thumbnail template because YouTube thumbnail template will give us the exact ratio we need for the YouTube videos, so that the background for the YouTube videos will have the same ratio, which is 16:9 ratio. Then now click on the YouTube thumbnail and it will bring us to this interface. This interface, that is this blank space, is where we are going to design our background image for the YouTube videos. And what I'm about to show you guys work both on free and Canva Pro, so you don't need to worry. Now by your left sidebar, scroll down and click on Magic Media, or go to Elements and search text to image. When you click on Magic Media, it will open up this interface. On the text box, describe whatever you want. Whatever you describe here, Canva Generative AI will generate it for you. Now I will type the prompt of any background image I would like to use on my YouTube videos. The prompt says a desk with a flat screen on it, lamp and long RGB lights by the corners. And once you are done with describing the kind of background image you want to use in your YouTube videos, then click on generate image. It will generate 4 images at once. When you are okay with what it generates, then click on your preferred image and it will appear on this blank space here. Now all you have to do is to drag and fill up the blank space here. Scale it to how you want it to appear on your background videos. To have more option, I will just click on add pages. It will give me a fresh blank page, and I can click on more images and generate more images. I will just work on these 3. With Canva Image Generative AI, you can generate any background you want. If you are okay with your background, go up here, click on share to export the background images for your YouTube videos. Then Go down here to download, click on download to download your images. Leave it in PNG format because it is better quality to use on our second AI tool. You can download all the images if you want, or uncheck the ones you don't want to download. After that, then click on done. After that, click on download. The image will be downloaded into your computer. Now we have our background images for our YouTube videos. The next step is to use CapCut AI. So I will just open the CapCut and import the images and videos that I want to edit. And if this is the first time you hearing about CapCut, CapCut is the best free video editing tools for beginners who want to learn basic tips of video editing. Now I will drag the background image on the timeline, then drag the video on top of it, then extend the length to be the same. I will highlight or select the video you want to change the background, then click on cutout, then come down here and click on auto cutout. Now it is processing the removal of the background. It usually takes some seconds depending on how large is the video file. Now the video background is removed. Add blur effect to make it look more realistic. To add the blur effect, click on the effect, then scroll down here, click on lens, then select the blur effect here, drag it and place it on top of the background image. On the right corner here, change the intensity to 7. I think that is okay. The 7 is okay. Then hit export to export your video. I usually export in 4K because that is better. If you are using a mobile phone, this is how to do it on a mobile phone. Although it is a bit different but not difficult. That is this, guys. That is how to create big background studio for your YouTube videos for free. And if you have any question concerning this tutorial, please leave them in the comment section for me. I will definitely reply to them all. And if you watch up to this point, thank you guys. Please help me reach 1K subscribers by hitting that subscribe button so that you won't miss any video I will upload on this channel. Thank you guys for watching and thank you for your support.